Please be aware that Michael E. Minden Diamond Jewelers in the Fashion Show Mall has closed for the next 30 days by state government mandate. We look forward to taking care of you in the future. If you have any questions, please call us at 702-253-5588, and we'll try to return your call as soon as possible. Be well, be safe. Hello, friends. We have created this video to instruct you on how to sterilize the rings on your hands. Public health safety stressed the high importance of washing your hands often, but that is not enough. Michael E. Minden Diamond Jewelers, Las Vegas's custom wedding ring experts remind you to sterilize your jewelry as well. It's important to remember that your engagement and wedding rings have many crevices and areas that are holding in germs and dirt. Think about all of the soaps and lotions that are stuck inside your rings and attracting germs. You can bring in the jewelry you wear on your hands to Michael E. Minden Diamond Jewelers, and we will clean and sterilize your keepsakes for free. If you can't make it into our store, here are some instructions on how to clean your jewelry at home. This cleaning procedure we are sharing with you is only for cleaning gold and diamond jewelry. Never use this process on colored gemstones, no silver, no costume jewelry, and absolutely no man-made, lab-created, or clarity-enhanced diamonds. Again, this is only for gold and natural diamonds. We will be boiling liquids at high temperature, and this extreme heat will damage and break all other gemstones. Gold and natural diamonds will always be safe in this cleaning. Here are your instructions. Take a medium-sized saucepan and fill it halfway with normal tap water. Place your gold and diamond items into the saucepan. Turn on the stove to high heat and bring the water to a boil. Continue boiling for 10 minutes. This will loosen away the germs and debris from your jewelry. Turn off your cooktop and allow the pot to cool down. Use a utensil to safely remove your items from the saucepan. Now, carefully inspect your rings and jewelry to make sure all of the stones remained in their settings. There may be some stones that have fallen out and are in the bottom of the saucepan. Often, loose stones have remained in the setting because soap and debris have kept them from falling out. Wait for the bubbles to dissolve completely in the saucepan and look carefully inside the pot for any missing stones. Be careful not to throw them away. They can be easily reinstalled by a good jeweler. At your earliest convenience, bring your items to Michael E. Minden Diamond Jewelers, and our experts will make sure your stones are tight and safe. Your jewelry is now clean and sterilized. Please forward and share this information with your friends. Our family and staff at Michael E. Minden Diamond Jewelers send you their love and best wishes. Stay healthy, stay safe, and see you soon.